Hello, guys, and welcome back. Today we are going over the easiest problem ever in Python, and it is called caught speeding in coding bat. So this one is just asking if the speed that you've been caught in is less than 60, between 61 and 80, or greater than 60, and in that case you would output 0, 1, and 2. So, and then it says if it is your birthday, then your speed can be 5 higher in all cases. So you want to first check if it is your birthday. So if it is your birthday, then you will add 5. So you would check in this function, you check if is birthday. And then if it is birthday, then you would increase the speed limits. So then you would ask if speed is less than or equal to 60. And then in that case, you'll get a 0, which is no ticket. 65, because it is your birthday. And then you would return 0 in that case. So, and then elif, your speed is between, so it's greater than 66, 2, and your speed is less than or equal to, so it says, or less than 84, because you will be including 85. And then you will return 1. And then finally, elif or else the speed is greater or equal to 85, and then you would return 5. So then we just finished the if it is birthday. So if it's not birthday, so then else it's not, we can just copy this whole thing over. Then we can just edit this to 60, 61, and 79, or 80. And then speed is greater than or equal to 80, or 81. So then you return 2 in this case, actually. And then, yeah, so that works. So you just check if it is birthday, then you would add 5 to the cases. If it's not your birthday, then you would use the regular speed limits. Okay, so we have one wrong. This is, it's 85 and true. So 85, so it is your birthday. So if it's greater than or equal to 85, then you return 2. So then, okay, so what happened is I included 85. So I moved it 1 over because it says 81 or more. So you add 5, and that will be 86. And then speed of 80 will move up to 85. So then it will output over here 1. So then they're all correct. So that is actually one of the easier problems. And yeah, so Python is easy.